Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique.
Today, we're diving into a product that's a game changer for home and office organization: the light switch labels by RobaCo Supply.
These transparent switch identifiers are making waves, so let's find out why they're considered the best in the market. Imagine never again fumbling in the dark to find the right light switch. With RobaCo's system, you get 330 transparent labels that elegantly solve this problem. They're perfect for any setting, whether you're at home, in the office, or a rental property.
What sets these apart? Well, they're transparent, which means they blend seamlessly with your existing decor. No more unsightly, mismatched labels. Plus, they're incredibly easy to apply and remove, thanks to their adhesive back. These labels aren't just for homeowners. They're a godsend for renters, real estate agents, and new homeowners alike.
Picture moving into a new place and instantly knowing which switch controls what. Talk about a stress-free setup.
Installation is a breeze.
Simply clean the switch surface, peel off the label, and stick it on.
If you ever need to move or replace them, they come off cleanly without leaving residue.
Cleaning? Just a quick wipe with a damp cloth and they're good as new. Designed with usability in mind, these labels feature a clear, bold font that's easy to read for all ages. Whether it's for elderly family members, forgetful kids, or yourself on a groggy morning, knowing which switch is which has never been simpler.
And don't worry about durability.
Made from high-quality materials, they withstand daily wear and tear.
Whether you're labeling light switches, fan controls, or appliances, these labels are up to the task. Have you tried light switch labels before? How do you keep your home organized?
Let me know in the comments below.
And if you found this video helpful,
don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more product reviews like this one. Thanks for watching, everyone.
Remember, the link to purchase these fantastic labels is in the description box below. Stay tuned for more reviews and recommendations on Product Critique.
Until next time, stay organized and stay curious.